this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Review rating is 8.8, which is the excellent. Category 1. You can see on the screen reviews like poolside, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and amenities, etc. Room category 2. Category 3. Room category 4. Category 7. Category 9. Category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this resort, 10 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the property is attractive and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you have visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then you subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property.